Okay, so today, the second day, me playing Human Resource Machine. So let's see how it's gonna work out. Let me make it less loud. Okay. Okay. So this was employee 2. Last time Tetracontiplier, what? Tetracontiplier? Okay. Oh no, that's cancel. Am I still recording? Yeah. Okay. 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 For each thing in the inbox, multiply it by 40 and put the result into outbox. Okay, so inbox and then copy to and then what? So I need to multiply by 40 somehow. I can use add. Copy to then add and then copy to and then add. So I can multiply by 32, but doing this one how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power of 4 gonna be 2 to the power of 5 gonna be 16 to the power of 6 gonna be 32. Yeah, but it doesn't make any sense. So I need how to make it multiply by 40. So I can do that 40 times, like adding like this one, but I don't have like enough space there. So I do 40 times, what? Okay, let's do copy 2 and copy to 20. And then here in box, add, or like copy to 0 and then add. And then copy to 0 and then add. And then copy to 0. Already 1, 2, 3. Add. Copy to 0. Add. Copy to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add. And then copy to 0. Then copy from. Add. Copy to 0. And then copy from. So I need to make, so 32, I need to make 8. So I can do copy 2, copy from add, let's say add 1, and then copy to 1, and then add, and then copy to 1, and then add 1, add this one, and then add 0, and then put the outbox, and then jump to the start, copy to 1. Okay, let's do 4, 8, 16, 32. Oh no, stop, okay, stop. Okay, I need to remove one cycle. Okay, how is this possible? Okay, so copy 2. Okay, this and this. So 3. So it would be multiplied by 36, 90 something. 30. What? No. Something terribly broken here. Okay, add 1. So 7 by 40 gonna be 7 by 32. Wait a second, what I'm doing here? So multiply by 2. Second, what I feel like I'm confusing power with multiplication. Okay, so how to do multiply by 3? Okay, let's clear this one. Clear, yes. Let's move incrementally. Copy 2, and then 7. How to do multiply by, let's say, 3? I'm gonna go copy to, let's say, here, and then add, say this one, and then add this one, and then add this one. It's gonna be multiplied by 3. Multiply, so 7 gonna be, in this case, 7 gonna be 21. Okay. No? Okay, so, okay, I got it. So, like 1. Add 0 gonna be multiplied by 2, multiply by 3 gonna be this one. So multiply by 4 should be what? So multiply by 4. So if I do 2 adds, so I can do this like 40 times. But I don't wanna do that. I wanna save some commands here and there. Okay, let me think about that. So we need to multiply by 40. Oh, no. So we need to multiply by 40, I said. Okay, I cannot do this. Multiply by 40. So it's gonna be add by 3, and this is, let's say, copy add 0. That's gonna be multiplied by 3. No, by 4. And then copy 2, let's say copy 2. And then I need to add 1, so it's gonna be again by multiply by 3 multiply by 6, no, by 8, and then multiply by 16, multiply by 32. And then add, and then put the dot box 4 by 40 by 160. Should be 160. No. 160. So here add 0 gonna be 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. So it's gonna multiply by 4. Then 28 plus 28. 28 plus 28 gonna be 56 plus 56, 112 plus 112 gonna be 224 plus here it's 224 plus this by 4. Should I do add more one here? 224 plus 28. 252 and plus 28 gonna be 280. Yeah, another one. So it's gonna be another one. Add this one here, one. Oh no. Okay. I wonder if there is like less commands, I can use less commands. So this is efficient, basically the value multiplied by itself, like x multiplied by 4. And this x multiplied by 4, I'm saying, okay, x multiplied by 4, and this one x multiplied by 4 plus x multiplied by 4 gonna be x multiplied by 16, oh, 8, and this is plus 4, 12, 16. This is x multiplied by 16 plus x multiplied by 16. 32 white is... So this was x multiplied by 4, and then I'm adding x by 4 plus x by 4. So x by 8, 16, 32. No, 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 plus 16. Something I don't understand. So it seems like I'm multiplying here by 32, but not... So here should be 7 multiplied by 4, 28. And then 48. And then 62. Okay, let's... Right. How I can stop? Maybe I can write it down and figure it out why it is working. The second problem of the engineer, to figure out why it's working. So if you have x and then I'm adding that, gonna be x plus, okay, back, gonna be x plus x plus x plus x, so x by 4, and then be 4x, and then I'm adding here plus 4x, and then plus 4x plus 4x plus 4x, and it's gonna be x 4 by 5. What? 4 by 5? No, it was not 4, but 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, and then there are 4 by 5. Oh, but 4 by 5 gonna be 20x. Okay, so here we have like 20x, and then I'm copying it, and I'm gonna go like 40x plus 20x plus 20x gonna be 40x here. Yeah, I don't know like why I was using that incorrect math. So can I do better? So I need to multiply by 4. And it's basically 4 multiplied by, or like 2 multiplied by 4. No, let's say if I have 3, whatever, let's go. I assume this is the most efficient way. So here we have multiply by 4 as the result. Here is the result multiplied by 20, and here is the result multiplied by 40. Okay, let's do this one. Oh, that's a good question. Okay. Send all things that are not 0 to the outbox. Okay, inbox. Jump to the if 0. And then otherwise outbox. And then jump to. Okay, something like this. Okay. Send only the send only the zeros to the outbox. Okay, inbox. Jump if 0. Oh no. Jump if 0 to the outbox. Otherwise,
Dad,
go with jump and then go
Dad.
with jump.
Is this
But
part 2?
I'm busy.
Part 2?
Yeah.
Could I, after you finish, could I do the front thing?
Okay. Back. Inbox and then okay. Okay. There's 2 jumps. How I can remove this additional jump? No, I don't know how to do that in less steps. So this is the main loop. And somewhere in there I should skip it. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's do that solution that I made and not inbox, jump in 0, go to the outbox, otherwise jump to the front, and let me do this. That's the most efficient one I can think about. Subtraction, okay. So we need to subtract first from the second and put the result in the outbox. Okay, inbox. Copy 2, and then inbox, subtract. And then put that out to the outbox. So I have x minus y. I have also x. And then I need to do y minus x somehow. So I have x, okay, so I have x and then y, and then I do y minus x, put it to the output. Okay, so I need to copy from and then add 0 and then subtract 1, and then put it to the outbox and then jump, something like this. So this is x, this is y minus x, empty value. Okay, copy to something like this. Wait a second, so here add the 0, copy from add 0, and then subtract 1. One second. So here gonna be 6 minus 2. I'm gonna put first 2 and then x2. 6 minus 2 gonna be 4. And then I need to put 2 minus 6. It's gonna be minus 4. Okay. Gonna be x minus y plus x. So we have here x and y minus x, and we need to get the x minus y. So I need to multiply somehow 2x. Okay, I can just sum it. And it's gonna be y. And then put the copy from 0 and then add 0. Add 1. Uh, how to do that in less steps? So this one is clear. So I have y minus x, y minus x and x. If I just add them, I'm gonna get y. So add, gonna be y, copy to 1. Yeah, the same. If I do x plus y, what? Why? Copy one. Okay. Okay, let's take this as a win. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's exit. And let's see how much I was recording. Was recording for 49